Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a building blocks house. First, gather all your building blocks and find a flat, stable surface to build on. Next, decide on a simple design for your house, like a basic square or rectangle. Think about the size and quantity of blocks you have. This will help determine your house's dimensions. Planning ahead ensures a smooth and enjoyable building experience. Now, let's lay the foundation. Begin by creating a solid base, usually a single layer of blocks forming your chosen shape. Make sure to interlock each block tightly to ensure maximum stability for your entire house. As you build upwards, construct the walls layer by layer, staggering the blocks like real brickwork. This technique significantly strengthens your structure, preventing it from toppling over. With your walls rising, it's time to add some character. You can easily incorporate windows and doors by simply leaving gaps in your wall layers as you build. For the roof, use larger, flat blocks to create a simple, flat top, or try a sloped design for a more traditional look. Make sure the roof is securely placed on top of your walls, completing the enclosure of your fantastic new blockhouse. Finally, let's add some finishing touches. If you have extra blocks, consider adding small decorative elements like a chimney, a tiny fence, or even a garden path. Once your house is complete, gently test its stability to ensure it's robust. Now, your amazing building block house is ready for imaginative play and countless adventures. Have fun with your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.